Have you ever wondered how you can make money on YouTube while staying anonymous? Yes, it's not only possible but also quite profitable. Welcome to the fascinating world of anonymous YouTubers. YouTube isn't just a platform for watching funny cat videos or learning how to cook the perfect lasagna. It's a thriving marketplace filled with countless opportunities for anyone with a passion and a camera. From baking tutorials to tech reviews, from fitness tips to fashion advice, YouTube has a space for everyone. It's a platform that has turned ordinary people into millionaires and given rise to an entirely new class of celebrities. But what if you're someone who values your privacy? What if you don't want the world to know your face, but still have a voice that needs to be heard? You'll be glad to know that YouTube has room for you too. You see, you don't have to reveal your identity to make a mark on YouTube. There are countless anonymous YouTubers out there, sharing their thoughts, their passions, and their talents without ever showing their face. Maybe you're an introvert who's not comfortable in front of the camera. Perhaps you're a professional who wants to keep your online life separate from your offline life. Or maybe you're just someone who values their privacy. Whatever your reason, YouTube allows you to create, share, and profit, all while maintaining your anonymity. But don't mistake anonymity for a lack of accountability. Being an anonymous YouTuber doesn't mean you can disregard YouTube's community guidelines or terms of service. It's crucial to maintain a positive and lawful presence on the platform. This means creating content that is respectful, informative, and entertaining, without causing harm or offense. So how do these anonymous YouTubers make it big? It's all about finding a niche, creating high-quality content, and engaging with your audience. And yes, it's definitely possible to do all that without revealing your identity. In fact, there are many successful anonymous YouTubers out there who have managed to create a strong brand and a loyal following, all while staying under the radar. So are you ready to dive into the secret world of anonymous YouTubers and discover how you too can make it big on YouTube while maintaining your privacy? Let's dive in. Being anonymous on YouTube doesn't mean you're hiding something. It's all about maintaining your privacy while sharing your passion with the world. In today's digital age, where privacy seems like a luxury, the concept of anonymity on YouTube comes as a breath of fresh air. It's an opportunity to put your creativity on display without the spotlight on your personal life. You get to be the puppeteer, controlling the strings of your online persona, without revealing the person behind the curtain. Anonymity on YouTube provides a protective shield, safeguarding your personal identity from the prying eyes of the world. It's like having your cake and eating it too. You can share your talent, your thoughts, your world without sharing your personal life. But it's not just about privacy. Being anonymous also helps to avoid unwanted attention. It's an unfortunate reality of the digital world that the more visible you are, the more vulnerable you can become to cyberbullying and harassment. Anonymity can offer a level of protection against this. Now it's essential to remember that even though you're anonymous, you're still a part of the YouTube community. It's a platform that thrives on respect and positive interactions. So it's incredibly important to always adhere to YouTube's guidelines. Being anonymous doesn't give you a free pass to violate the rules. It's about maintaining a balance, a harmony between your privacy and your responsibility as a content creator. It's not just about protecting yourself, it's also about contributing positively to the platform and its diverse community. Anonymity on YouTube can be a powerful tool. It's a way to embrace the freedom of expression without compromising personal security. It's about owning your narrative, controlling what you want to share and how you want to share it. In the end, being an anonymous YouTuber is about finding your voice in a crowd without losing yourself in it. It's about creating a space where you can be heard without the fear of being seen. So, are you intrigued by the idea of becoming an anonymous YouTuber? Let's move on to some success stories. There are many anonymous YouTubers out there who have carved a niche for themselves and amassed a huge following. Let's take a look at some of these success stories. Imagine a channel that started from scratch just a few years ago. With no face to connect to the voice, it grew solely on the strength of its content. This channel focused on sharing intriguing real-life mysteries, captivating millions with its engaging storytelling. Today, it's a successful business, all while the creator remains a mystery themselves. Then, there's the story of a faceless fitness guru. Their channel started with simple workout routines, voiced over with motivating words. The identity of the fitness guru remains unknown, but their influence is undeniable. They've built a thriving online community, and their workout videos have become the go-to for many fitness enthusiasts around the globe. Or consider an anonymous music channel. They started by sharing remixes of popular songs, their unique spin setting them apart. Soon they were creating original compositions, their music resonating with listeners worldwide. Today, they have a record deal, and their music is streamed by millions, all without their identity being known. And let's not forget the anonymous tech reviewer. They began by sharing their thoughts on the latest gadgets, their insightful commentary and honest reviews winning over a large audience. This channel is now a trusted name in tech reviews, partnering with big-name brands, all while the person behind it remains unknown. These stories are not anomalies. They are a testament to the power of content and the appeal of anonymity. Each of these channels started small and grew big, all while their creators remained faceless. They've built successful businesses, influencing millions, and all without sacrificing their privacy. Inspiring, isn't it? Now, how about we help you get started on your own YouTube journey? To help you kickstart your YouTube journey, we present to you the Tube Mastery and Monetization course, created by a successful anonymous YouTuber who's been in the business for over 10 years. Now imagine if you could have a guide, a mentor, someone who's been there and done it all. This course is exactly that. It's a comprehensive guide created by a seasoned YouTuber who has been in the trenches, learned from the mistakes, and emerged victorious on the other side. This creator, while choosing to remain anonymous, has built multiple successful YouTube channels and is ready to share the wealth of knowledge with you. What's more, this course is designed for everyone. You could be a complete beginner, or perhaps you've dabbled a bit in the world of YouTube but haven't quite found your footing yet. Regardless of your experience level, this course is tailored to help you start, grow, and monetize your YouTube business. The course is divided into easy-to-understand modules that walk you through everything you need to know about running a successful YouTube channel. From understanding the platform's algorithms to creating compelling content and maximizing monetization strategies, you'll get a complete breakdown of the process. But it doesn't stop there. The course also delves into the specifics of running an anonymous YouTube channel. You'll learn how to balance privacy concerns with the responsibility that comes with being a content creator on a public platform. It's about ensuring that even though anonymous, there's still a commitment to always review and adhere to YouTube's terms of service and guidelines to maintain a positive and lawful presence on the platform. This course is more than just information. It's a tool, a roadmap, a step-by-step guide to becoming a successful YouTuber, even if you choose to remain anonymous. It's about cutting through the noise and focusing on the core information you need to succeed. With this course, you'll have all the tools you need to become a successful anonymous YouTuber. But don't just take our word for it. The Tube Mastery and Monetization course has already helped countless individuals find success on YouTube. But don't just take our word for it. Hear from the students themselves. Imagine waking up every day, excited to create content you love, all while retaining your privacy. This is the reality for many of our students. Let's hear from a few of them. First up, we have Julia, a single mother from Texas. She shares, "I was skeptical at first, but the Tube Mastery and Monetization course changed my life. I can now support my family doing what I love without compromising my anonymity." Next, meet Ben, a college student from California. He says, "This course taught me how to create engaging content, understand YouTube algorithms, and grow my channel. Today I'm earning a steady income and nobody knows it's me behind the screen." Our third testimonial comes from Sarah, a retiree in Florida. She tells us, "I started my YouTube journey after retirement. Thanks to this course, I found a new passion and I've managed to remain anonymous. It's a fantastic way to spend my free time." But it's not just about the income or the passion. It's about the community. Our students often praise the ongoing support they receive. Like Tom, a full-time employee in New York, who says, "The course doesn't end with the last lesson. The continuous support and guidance I receive are invaluable. It's like having a mentor on speed dial." These are just a few of the countless stories from our students. They've embraced the opportunity to create, earn, and still keep their privacy intact. It's a testament to the quality and depth of guidance provided by the Tube Mastery and Monetization course. So are you ready to join this thriving community of anonymous YouTubers, ready to harness the power of YouTube while preserving your privacy? Ready to create content you love and earn from it too? Ready to start your YouTube journey while maintaining your privacy? Click the link in the description and sign up for the Tube Mastery and Monetization course today.